5 Best Backup Camera Review.
Are you looking for the best backup camera for your car, RV, truck, trailer, bus, pickup, or van?
Then, you are at the right pace. I have explored more than 50 best-selling backup cameras on Amazon online shop. Among those, I picked up the 5 best backup cameras, which has thousands of positive customer reviews. Let's get started. Number 1. AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera Kit. This wireless backup camera provides excellent images and videos. Due to digital wireless broadcasting, there isn't any Bluetooth interference or distortion. This backup camera is IP68 rated, which means 100% waterproof. This backup camera comes with installation kits. Thus, installation process is very simple and easy. Key features. Comes with a PC1058 sensor. 110 degrees viewing angle helps to park correctly. Can withstand in -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. The transmitter is installed inside the camera. 1-year warranty. Buy now from the link in the description. Number 2. eRapta ERT01 Second Generation Backup Camera. It is a budget backup camera that comes with 8 LED lights night vision. It is 149 degrees viewing angle gives a wide view in both day and night time, while parking the car in reverse. The camera is IP69 level, which provides 100% waterproof support. Key features. Affordable pricing. Has IP69 waterproof rating. 8 LED light night vision. 149 degrees viewing angle. Auto lighting turns on in low light conditions. LCD display can be attached to the car dashboard with clips. Buy now from the link in the description. Number 3. ZEROXCLUB Wireless Backup Camera Kit. Digital wireless signal has up to 100 transmission, and excellent picture quality up to 85 miles speed. The 7 inches digital HD display is built with advanced IPS technology. IP69 level, which provides waterproof and dustproof support. It has 149 degrees wide view, 360 degrees adjustment and 18 LED night lens. Installation system is very easy and anyone can install it. Key features. Easy wireless installation. Perfect for SUV or long vehicles. 7-inch HD quality screen. IP69 rated. Waterproof and dustproof. No signal interferences. 149 degrees wide view makes it easier to park. Buy now from link in the description. Number 4. TOGUARD Mirror Dash Cam Touchscreen Backup Camera. It has IP69 level, which provide 100% waterproof support. 7 inches IPS touchscreen, that ultra wider and cleaner than any LCD display. 2.5D glass, exquisite screen edge, provide HD and clear images and video. It has reversing camera kit and line indicator for safe parking. Guided installation process will help you set up the system easily. Key features. 7-inch IPS touch display. Capture 1080p video with rear view. Mirror camera front and rear dual lens. Waterproof reversing camera. Provides 32 GB memory card. Simple and easy setup process. Buy now from link in the description. Number 5. Yakry Y22 HD 1080p Digital Wireless Backup Camera. It monitors full HD 1080p resolution, which provides crystal clear image and video. The monitor can be used in full screen mode, or 2 video channel mode. 2 cameras can add to the system. One for the front view, and another for the rear view of your car, truck, trailer, RV. It's super stable digital signal that has a range up to 45 feet length. It's IP69K rated, which provide 100% waterproof. Key features: 150 degrees viewing angle that comes with a 5-inch display. 2 split screens to give a complete surrounding view. IP69K rating means 100% waterproof. Stable pictures up to 45 feet range. Good customer support. Buy now, from the link in the description. 3 things you should keep in mind before selecting the best backup camera for your car. They are budget, functionality, and compatibility. AUTO-VOX CS2 is a temperature-friendly, 119 degrees viewing angle camera with great picture quality. If you have a tight budget, you can have eRapta ERT01 backup camera, with a safely feature of night drive. ZEROXCLUB wireless backup camera specially made for SUVs or buses. It provides stable picture quality at 85 mile speed. TOGUARD provides an exceptional sense of vision with a touch-screen backup camera. Yakry Y22 has a full HD monitor, with a split screen and 150 degrees wide angle, and 45 feet range. It meets all your requirements. So pick the most suitable one from the 5 best backup cameras, and enjoy collision-free driving.